All right, guys, it's July 29th, 2026. Let's check out the garden. This is when you don't feel like gardening anymore. It's hot, it's humid, there's weeds everywhere. Anyways, we did it. Let's go check it out. This I didn't clear up so much, just a little bit. Maybe I'll do more. Got tired. That's what happens when you just mix it all up, though. It's hard to weed. These watermelons are getting big, though. Big one right here. Yeah. One right here. Sugar babies. These are the ones that grow the best up here, northern Quebec. Tried other ones, unsuccessful. Cleaned out the bottoms of the plants. Yeah, they're into flower now. Just weeded this whole garden today. Took 4 hours, but I'm happy I did it. It's looking a lot better. Peppers are really coming. All these going into flower are just exploding in growth. We got peppers near, peppers everywhere coming out now. The beets, we started eating them, delicious. I cleaned out the bottoms of the plants, put some nets, hold them up. Have one here. There was a windstorm before I put the nets up, and the wind cracked this plant right into right there, right here. Split right open. Picked them up off the ground, put tie wraps, and yeah, these plants are super resilient. They'll just heal up, and that was what, maybe 7 days ago. Looked like crap for a bit, cleaned it out, took out some of the branches in the middle and bounced back like nothing. Yeah, they're exploding in growth. That Quebec blue is at least 5 feet tall now. Flowers everywhere. Yeah, I'll put some new straw, make it look fresh. Strawberries. Getting some strawberries, but some of these again, diseased plant, mold. I don't know. I'm really gonna get into this. I want to figure out how to grow really good strawberries. But I mean, some of them are delicious. The ones that do come, like that, like that. Absolutely delicious. Carrots exploding. These raspberries are also going into flower. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of raspberries, my dude. This plant here, I had a big pineapple chunk there. I was trying to stake it with these stakes. As I was digging it to the ground, stake broke. I fell right on top of the plant. Just killed it. Wish I'd have filmed that. Pretty funny. But that's why I always like to have a few extras. Just have that one on the sidelines, ready to step in. Let's go. Pulled these onions here, the red onions. They all went to flower. I didn't know. I thought that was only the second year, but apparently they're, especially the red ones, they're prone genetically. Don't handle stress so good. So I pulled them out. They're over there. Some of them I just threw out, and the ones that didn't go to flower, and I hanged them up to dry. I also pulled any of the white ones that fallen over. See, like this one's here is falling over. Yeah, let's pull that one out. See, the red ones, maybe over half of them flowered. These are the ones that didn't flower. White ones are really good. flowers. Definitely gonna collect a lot of these seeds. But yeah, we're definitely in another, look at this flower. Looks prehistoric. It's from the dinosaur era. There you go, this one's starting to flower. Got all these plants, I'll put nets in them, cleared out some of the bottoms. Should have took it more. I should probably took this branch off, but whatever. Let's see. Broccoli, huge. We're eating that. Eat that one tonight. It's almost overripe. But yeah, beautiful broccoli. Delicious. Just cook them a little bit, just a little bit, so that they're a little bit soft, but still have that bright green. This is the Roji OG, Nepalese cross OG Kush. That thing's exploding. It's 5 feet tall now. There we go. Got my workers. Got my workers here, protecting the plants. Looks like they're having a fight. Either they're mating. But yeah, go ahead. Eat the bugs, ladybugs. Take care of these plants. What the hell is this? Weird bug. Get off my plant. There we go. That one too exploding. That one's almost 6 feet tall. Look at the stalk on that. It's almost the size of a Coke can. Got the cucumbers coming in. Find one. There you go. Right there. Potato patch. Got the eagle over there. Let's see if we can get close. Now I'm freaking out. Bald eagle. There he goes. You don't like him when we get close. He's hollering when I finish weeding. I like to think that was him telling me good job, bud. There he goes. Oh, disturbed him. Too bad. Likes that spot. Good lookout for all the muskrat and ducks, geese, whatever he's hunting. Whatever he's hunting over there. Look at that. Cantaloupe just exploding. Didn't put the nets up. Not too bad. Maybe I'll put them up today, should I? There you go. You see the fruit starting there. Right there. I'm sure there's fruit all over this thing. It's crazy. I don't know. Probably should have. I don't know. This was a good idea. We'll see. Find out. We'll find out. Right there. There you go. Butternut squash. Really starting to stretch out now. This is it. Beginning of late July, beginning of August in Quebec. The humidity, the rain, the heat. It's something. This is where all the diseases will come out, the pests. This is when you're sick of weeding. But you know what? Get it done, you also start eating. Some of the carrots are ready, cabbage is ready, potatoes are starting to, they've definitely peaked. I'm not gonna do some, I mean, there's so much coverage that they smother the weeds, but yeah, I'm not going in there and take out whatever weeds are. They're good now. I haven't seen any Colorado beetles in there at least 2 weeks. So I haven't been going through combing them or nothing. They're on their own now. Sure they'll do fine. There you go. They're really stretching. They're in flower mode now. Yeah, let's go check out the greenhouse. This one's not doing so good. That's what happens. There's always one or two struggles. These ones I cut already. Eating so good, so fresh, and they'll just keep growing off the sides. The beets, we started eating them. The beets are great. Yeah, they're ready. Pick the bigger ones, leave the small ones in there to keep growing. See, the yellow onions all did fine. Greenhouse. This one is starting to have some diseased leaves. I pulled them off, but yeah, look at the tomatoes on that little plant. Whole bunch of tomatoes. We're getting some now, the cherries. Some of them have started. Delicious. You just tie them up. I hit the ceiling, cascade back down. Things looking good in here. Pollinator doing his job. Do your thing, bumblebee. Love the greenhouse. It's a vibe. Yeah. The lettuce, chopped some of it. Just all over the place, look messy. I'm just gonna leave these two here. I'm gonna have enough seeds with that. Red variety, green variety. Yep. Got the old owl here. Looking over. So that's it. End of July, beginning of August. Like I said, that's when you don't feel like pulling out weeds anymore. That's when there's the most. Things have peaked. We're hitting a different stage of summer. Oh yeah, I pulled all the garlic. Not the biggest, but looking good. have to be so big just for personal use. I got like 160 of them, so not enough for the year. Some people cut off the heads, but I heard they store longer when you don't. I like to let them go natural. We just ran out recently. Hannah cooks with a lot of this, and yeah, they stayed good for a whole year. So I don't know, maybe next year I'll cut a bit off, cut the heads off a few just to see if they store as long or if they go bad quicker. Curious to find out. Grapes. All right, so that's it. Going camping for the next 5 days. Maybe I'll do a video when I get back or in another 10 days.